Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today's video is just me cleaning around the house. My name is Charlotte if you're new here, and yes, I have a cold, so I sound a little bit nasally today. But I'm going to start out in the kitchen and just putting away dishes that I had cleaned and drying out overnight. This is the morning time. That is my son right there. He is 10 months old. And I'm cleaning out my refillable coffee ground thing for the Keurig and putting recycling away. This video will be kind of short. I just had a bunch of cleaning I needed to do that morning before getting ready for the day, but I just figured I'd film it for you guys just to see what we do or what I do occasionally. It's not every day that I do this routine, but at least once a week I'll do this routine. We do a lot of recycling here in Okinawa, Japan. They're known for their recycling. And I'm just going to clean up after Asher. He just was fed some oatmeal, and this is his oatmeal bowl, and I'll show you him in just a second here after I clean the sink. I just use dish soap to rub down the inside of the sink and then wash it off, of course. I do that more often than just once a week. Now I'm spraying down around the surfaces of the sink with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in lavender. I also use their hand soap and dish soap at this time. Alright, so I'm moving over to the stovetop. It needed cleaned off pretty bad. I'm just showing you the little grime that you can see on the camera. And I'm using the Method Glass and Surface spray. It is a multi-purpose cleaning spray. That's why I'm using it here. I didn't have anything I really needed to scrub off or felt like I needed to really scrub off, so I didn't use a heavy-duty type of cleaner for this. I just used this basic one, and it does a great job. Okay, so I'm gonna get Asher out of his high chair and clean off his high chair and clean his table that's connected to the high chair. Again, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's spray just all over his high chair. This little guy is walking now. He's not full-time walking, he crawls too, but oh my goodness. Alright, so cleaning off the tray with just an all-natural cleaner like the Mrs. Meyer's. I use a lot of all-natural products. My husband tends to buy the chemical ones. Alright, so I'm just going to show you me changing him. I have a tip for you for cleaning purposes with your kids' clothes. Whenever you take them off, be sure to put them right side out so they're not inside out. And that way when you're washing clothes and drying them and when you're folding them, it's so much easier to not have to just go through all the clothes one by one and unfold it, or, you know, turn it inside out. You know what I'm trying to say. Alright, so these are diapers and clothes that I need to clean up, and I want to clean up his crib real quick. Alright, we're in Ava's room now, my 3-year-old. I'm just going to open up the closet and clean her bed up. I'm just going to make her bed for her. Again, this is the morning time, so we haven't had to pick up her room after they've been playing in there and that kind of thing. She just woke up, so that does happen and reoccur several times during the day, but I did not show that in this video today. If you like this kind of video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd really enjoy having you, and let me know down in the comments if you do, if you are new here. I'd love to talk with you and see how you found my channel and that kind of thing. So now I'm throwing the laundry into the washer, and I'm just going to drizzle some of the laundry soap on there and start it. Onto the toilet room. Our toilet room is separate from our bath and shower room, but I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe down the toilet, clean the inside, and clean the sink too. I find that I have to do this more often than not. I don't know, this bathroom is all white, so every little detail shows. Asher was pushing the chair towards me and my camera was on it. So here's an overlook. That's our daughter's potty seat. Alright, so I'm going to take everything off of the table now and clean underneath it too, and clean the top of the table, of course. I've got Asher over there in the pack and play, and Ava's sitting there acting like she's eating. If you wouldn't mind following me on my Instagram, Charcharga, I'll have it linked on my main page here on YouTube. Again, that's Charcharga. I'm on there quite often. I'm on there every day, and I do a lot of Insta stories. So if you're interested in seeing like day-to-day life and tips on beauty and just everything, I live in Okinawa, Japan, so sometimes it's like vlog style on there too. So if you're interested, that's definitely open for you to go ahead and add me on there. I'd love to have you. I just finished doing a update video, so if any of you have babies or are having a child soon, I just wanted to let you know that I do have updates on my channel as far as like my son's updates. Like I keep saying that, I'm sorry, but I did videos before I had him, like the pregnancy videos. I did a lot of those, so if you'd like to see that kind of thing, I have a lot of those on here, and baby updates. Alright, so I'm just putting everything back under the table after brooming all that dirt. I have a hard time keeping up with it. Alright, there's Ava, there's the table, it's all neat and tidy, and then our day is starting. I'm going to show you the bathroom. This is like my makeup area. I have a lot of makeup videos on here too, like my makeup collection, tutorials, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in those kinds of things, again, go check down in the description box or go to my main page here on YouTube. Just browse, see what you'd like to see, and if you like anything you see, go ahead and watch it if you'd like. This is the Method glass cleaner, glass and surface cleaner, I should say, and it does a great job. Alright everyone, so that's everything I have for you today. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. I'm not quite sure what that video is going to be yet, but I do have some beauty related videos coming up here soon, and a declutter with another YouTuber here on my channel. More of those videos are linked down below because we are doing a collaboration series on decluttering our house, basically. So if you're interested in those things, please let me know by subscribing and commenting, and follow me on Instagram. Again, I'm there like every day, all day. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.